Railways are a naturally dirty environment. They operate within urban, industrial and rural areas, running through all weathers, and down the years have carried all manner of materials. Even in the halcyon days of the pre-grouping companies, highly polished Victorian and Edwardian locomotives would still be prone to the soot, ash, oil and grease that have always been a part and parcel of steam traction. In spite of the efforts of cleaning staff, or in later years mechanised washing plants, a few hours of hurtling along the rails would put paid to any gleaming paintwork. Factory applied weathering has been offered on a number of ready-to-run models in recent years, and while this offers the customer more choice, the effect can often look one-dimensional. They are, after all, merely sprayed with a misting of brown and black paint as they pass along the production line. A bespoke weathering job can be time-consuming, and rather than simply throwing a lot of dirty-looking paint at a model, a lot of care and thought should be put into identifying how and why grime builds up on different surfaces, and then choosing the right technique to recreate it. Some sections of this film have been speeded up, so that while showing the processes in full, there's room to show a wider variety of techniques and subjects. These sections are identified with this symbol. The individual weathering techniques used in this program needn't be applied in isolation, and can of course be mixed and used together as required to give that perfect finish.